Good afternoon, class 9. Now from the chemical changes and reaction chapter, I will teach you energy changes in chemical change. The term energy changes in a chemical change, energy changes in a chemical change or chemical reaction is the difference between the chemical energy of the reactants and products. So before reaction, when there are only reactants, we'll find out the amount of energy associated with the reactants, and after the reaction when the products are found, then also we will find out the amount of energy associated with the product molecules. So after finding out the differences between these two, we will find out the amount of energy released or absorbed. Every substance has a stored amount of energy in it, that is potential or latent, commonly called chemical energy. Some amount of energy is associated with each and every substances. Whenever they are ready to react, this reactant and products, after formation of products also, they are associated with some amount of energy in hidden form. So it is called the latent type of energy, and this energy is called the chemical energy. This energy, what is this called? The chemical energy. A chemical change is associated with the evolution or absorption of energy which is required to break or form different bonds between the molecules of the reactants and product. Why some amount of energy is released or absorbed during the chemical reaction? Because some bonds are to be broken down and some bonds are formed, new bonds are formed there. In some molecules the bonds are broken down in the reactant side, and some bonds are formed within the product atoms to give us the product molecules. Reactants and product, this energy is in the form of heat energy, light energy or electricity. So this amount of energy is, we will feel it as heat, as the heat energy, light energy or electrical energy. Surplus energy is released or absorbed depending on the energy of the product and reactants. So there are exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. You have learned it also in previous classes, but here also I will explain it. Exothermic, exo is associated with exit. So after the chemical reaction some amount of energy will be released, and in case of endothermic reaction, endo is associated with entrance or enter. So in endothermic reaction some amount of heat energy is absorbed. A chemical reaction which proceed with evolution of heat energy is called an exothermic reaction. A chemical reaction which proceed with absorption of heat energy is called the endothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction can be sustained without the supply of external energy, and endothermic reaction cannot be sustained with the supply of external energy. Here external energy is must or needed, here the external energy is not needed. Here why the external energy is needed? For the initiation of the reaction. After that, whenever the energy is released,